What is India's national song? Bande Mataram is the correct answer. What is India's national anthem? Jana Gana Mana is the correct answer. What is India's national sports? Hockey is the right answer. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. What is the national emblem of India? Ashok Chakra is the correct answer. Who designed the national emblem of India? Dinanath Bhargava is the correct answer. What is the India's national bird? Peacock is the correct answer. What is India's national animal? Tiger is the correct answer. What is India's national flower? Lotus is the correct answer. What is India's national tree? Banyan tree is the correct answer. What is India's national fruits? Mango is the correct answer.